So yeah, we're in the woods, close to this very teeny tiny lake. It's not as crowded as I thought it would be. And we are trying to have some landscape photography. Despite I might give it up today because the light is so harsh. It's noon and lunchtime, you know, that's too much light everywhere to have some nice nuances. I might go and focus on the caves and on the waterfall. Stay tuned.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
So here we are in Porlezza. That means that from Lake Como we switch to Lake of Lugano, we cross the border to Switzerland, and then we cross the border again because the tip top of the lake is still Italy. This is such a nice village, and eventually in this lake you can also swim, thing that you cannot do on Lake Como because it's too polluted. There's a CPL and ND8 engaged.